Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. We're working with the Pandas library again, and I'm going to show you how to open a CSV file which is on your desktop. I think we've gone through this in another video, but this is going to be like the shorter version for you. So before you do that, make sure you import the Pandas as PD there. So we're just going to create a function. We just make it a little bit bigger like that. Okay, so we're just going to create a function called Pandas CSV, and I've already created the path up here to my desktop and changed into that directory, so your desktop path will be different to this, so you'll have to find your own unique desktop path. I'm going to create a variable called file, and I'm going to assign it to customers.csv. This is a file, oh, I spelled that wrong, haven't I? Customers.csv. This is a file that I already have on the desktop. So I'm going to create another variable, file name, and assign it to pd for pandas dot read CSV. Okay, and then insert the file that I want it to read. So I want it to read that file, and then all we do is we print file name. Okay, now all I have to do is call this program Pandas CSV. Like that. Save it, and let's call the program. Okay, and there you go. So we can see these are the elements in it there. So we've got the index, the customer's ID, subscription date, and the websites there. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're just going to change this a little bit. We're just going to do another little example here for you. So I'm going to call it Clipboard. Whoa, what's on there? The Clipboard. Okay, so I'm going to create a variable called data. I'm going to assign it to pd.read, and this time it's going to be clipboard. Clipboard. Let's have a look at that, and then we're just going to print out the data, which is simply data. Now we'll just change this, so this is going to be Pandas clipboard. Okay, let's just save this and let's just run it. Okay. Empty. Oh, index is empty. Okay, just let's have a look. So file name, read clipboard. Let's run it again. Okay, HTML5. Okay, index 0. So there we go. That's the empty data frame there. So there you go. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. I hope you enjoyed that. Remember, if you're not already subscribed to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. It'll help the channel out, and it'll make me feel happy. Thank you very much if you got this far in the video, and I'll catch you in another video. Bye-bye.